Hi there, what's up? In this tutorial, I want to teach you how to change your cloth without wearing a new cloth.
Oh, who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
First, you should go to the firefly.adobe.com. When you go down, you see a section that is generative fill. Click on generate. Then you see a brush setting. Click on it and you see a brush size, brush hardness, and opacity of the brush. Brush the section that you want to change. For example, because I want to change her clothes, I brushed her t-shirt.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too.
And if you made a mistake and brushed the unwanted part that you don't want to change, with erase tool you can erase that part.
You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
And from the description section, write your prompt. For example, I write a dress with a design of bear, and that's the result I get.
I know I'm not easy. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but
I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like, subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.
no matter what we do, and even when we don't, there's nobody around.